EngenderHealth is doing great things globally to help women have greater access to maternal health care and contraception. And you may say, well, why is that so important? And the basic facts are that every 90 seconds, a woman dies in childbirth. 99% of those deaths are in developing countries, and around 90% of them are probably preventable. Engender is training professionals in the medical fields and community leaders to understand the proper techniques to help women in these situations. They're supplying hospitals with the materials that they need to help deliver this health care, and they're also delivering information about safe and affordable contraception to all of these women who have no access to it right now. And contraception is very important because if people have access to contraception, then women can choose when and how many children to have, and that means they can wait until their bodies are ready to have children. I mean, many of these deaths in childbirth are because they're very young women who are actually not really mature enough for their bodies to handle a birth. And women should have the right to say, I want to have a baby when I want to have a baby. And Engender is also working with men in these countries to get them on board with this idea of basically allowing the women to have access to this information, to see it as a good thing, to see it as something to be supported. And once the men are on board with this, we see a lot more women coming in and asking for this information and for these services, and we're just, seeing health increase and possibilities for women to achieve their potential increase. Mm-hmm. And this is a wonderful thing.